The International GS Trophy 2024 will take place in Namibia.
To be able to win this thing, you have to really become a cohesive team. The whole Performance Center is set up just like a GS Trophy event.
Hill climbs and sand and gravel and single track riding. It's really a state-of-the-art facility.
Spending time at the Performance Center will make a huge difference because Team USA can work as a team. And then also practice on those bikes is super important.
Have you seen these bikes? Have you walked out here and seen these bikes yet?
Awesome.
Yeah, Akrapovic exhaust. Listen to that.
Today was the first opportunity any of us had to ride the new 1300 off-road.
The 1300 is much more advanced than the 1250 before.
The bike is a beast. It's nimble and it's fun.
It's easier to handle, the brakes are better, the suspension's better, it's smoother, more refined.
We're all grinning ear to ear.
I think they made an awesome machine there.
Around here, I like a lot of preload with a little bit of damping.
I'm Chris Johns. I'm actually one of the instructors here at the Performance Center now and a mechanic here as well. But I competed in 2020 in New Zealand. It's actually really good that they're getting this much time to ride together. A lot of teams in other countries ride a lot more together than what we usually do.
I'm a little nervous. I'm really nervous. Just gotta be cool under fire, brother.
My name is Mackenzie Tricker. I'm a full-time instructor here at the BMW US Rider Academy. This morning we did a warm-up. We did a little motorcycle yoga, which we start all of our classes with that. It helps build a little confidence because a lot of people are like, can we do this on a bike? The trophy team have a really good base, but perfection is what we're working toward. We wanted to learn the bike, learn how much throttle and clutch control we need, and be consistent every time. We started with our slow speed exercises on the gravel pad.
Get your weight back a little bit.
And then we went into steering, kind of get their blood back flowing, and then we'll go into a little bit more advanced skills with elephant turns, brake and power slides, and then we'll finish with some team exercises.
We knew it was important for us to ride together. There's gonna be long days in Africa. And I don't care if you love it, but you gotta do it for 14 hours in a day. That's gonna be a long day.
I learned I had a lot of improvement to make to be smoother, do it more consistently.
Trial stops, more slow maneuvers. There was actually a list of things that I know now I can go practice for the next 2 months before we come back here.
Please don't damage these because I'm going to be the one having to answer for it. So, that being said, we still want to try the stairs.
Get it!